Hey budget besties, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is CS Budgets and my name is Candace. We do all things low income, cash stuff and savings. If this sounds like something you're interested in, then keep watching. Okay, so I am doing this video because I messed up. My mom and I are supposed to be going to Vegas next month meaning October, and I did not budget or plan for it. Everything else is actually still paid for, so like the flight and the hotel. Well, we have a timeshare, so we really don't pay for hotel expenses, but the flight is already paid for. We got a really good deal on it, and that's completely taken care of. But the only thing is, we do not have any spending money or any money for like food, park and fly, Lyft, souvenirs, things like that. Yeah, so I dropped the ball and I did not budget for it at all. So what I'm doing today in this video, I said, well, I might as well record it so you guys can actually see like the process of what we do when we are traveling, whether it be Reno, Disney, or overnight stay. We budget beforehand, and then whatever's left, we kind of like roll it over to the next adventure or the next travel that we decide to do. So I'm gonna stop rambling and I'm actually going to show you that process in this video. Okay, I have my little notes here so I won't go off topic. Oopsie, pen likes to drop. Okay, so I put on here, I hope you can see. So let me make it a little bit closer here. Okay, so I put travel here and we're going to Vegas here. Okay, so then what I do is I list out the categories for our travel. So, and this would be pretty much the categories for all of our travel expenses, no matter where we go. Okay, so I'm gonna put the regular the regular categories that we use, and then what I'm going to do is I'm creating a binder for it, and I'll show you guys. I'm creating a binder specifically for travel, and then we'll just use this particular binder recurrently and then stuff it as we need it. So for Vegas, we have the airport park and fly. Okay, then we have, I would say, shuttle, Lyft, Uber. You can actually just say transportation from airport. You can do that. That might be a little bit easier, but I'm just kind of spelling it out here. And then we have food, of course. We have fun stuff. I was gonna spell souvenir, but I'll spell that later. Oh, not staff, stuff. It is super early and super hot here in California, so yeah. We have record-breaking heat, so yeah, this is a little different. The heat. Comment, let me know like what is the weirdest weather that you guys experienced in your part of the town or your part of the country, because it's like 114. I think it was 116, 118 in Sacramento, and that has been the highest since like the 1950s, 60s or something like that. So yeah, we're not used to it. Okay, so oops. Okay, so we have park and fly, we have the shuttle, Lyft, Uber, whatever transportation from the airport. We have food, fun stuff. What I'm going to do is, because these are not in the categories that we're going to actually be using for this particular trip, but I still want to make the binder for it, I'm actually going to put gas. Yeah, I think that's it. I'll just add gas on there. But I'm not going to stuff this one. So just FYI, I'll just leave that in there. But these we are going to work with, okay? Okay, so now that we got our categories out the way, now it's time to actually say what amounts we're going to put in here. And so I actually have money that I put aside for, I don't know if you can see it, but it's over here somewhere. I'll put this here. Okay, so I actually have money that I put aside for travel, and then I had started a 50 envelope savings challenge, and I said, well, I can actually stop doing this challenge and take the money from the challenge, take the money from the travel, and then put them together so that I'll have the money for our trip. And then that way, after our trip, I kind of like put this aside and start saving up for it. And then I can actually restart my 50 envelope challenge, okay? So I'm basically reusing money that I've already been saving and just putting it in the necessary categories. Okay, so a park and fly generally is about $80. That's where we park the car at the airport for the duration of our trip. Shuttle, Lyft. I did the prices on Lyft, so I think it's gonna be maybe about. I think it said 15, but I'm gonna say 50 just to give us some wiggle room because where we're staying at is literally like 10 minutes away from the airport. So I'll just put $50 there. Food, there is no telling. So I want to say, because everything is so expensive and snacks and everything, this might be a bit too much, but I'm going to go on a whim here and I'm going to say 200. And then fun stuff like souvenirs, little trinkets, knickknacks, entertainment, things like that, I'm going to say maybe about $150. Probably not going to be that. We're only going to be there literally, you guys, for 2 days. Like, we're leaving on Wednesday morning. We're going to be there the whole day Wednesday. And then we're going to be there the whole day Thursday. We're coming back on Friday. So probably not going to need this much. But I want to save this much because things happen. And then in whatever's left, I'll just roll it over. Gas is nothing. But it's just going to be a blank category, okay? So that's basically how I do my pre-budget for this, okay? So now I'm going to put this to the side and we're actually going to stuff the envelopes for it. Okay, so I am using these envelopes here. I love them. They feel so wonderful. I got these off Amazon, and I really, really like these. And I'm going to show you how to use them in a moment, but this is the way they look, and then you can just close it up like this. So, yeah, I got these off of Amazon. I'm going to label them. I'm going to make them really pretty, do pretty labels for them, but I'm going to show you that in a separate video. So I'm going to put that to the side here. Actually, put it over here. So now, let's unstuff our cash for the trip. I'm just going to throw this away here. I'm going to take this out, put that to the side. We're going to take this out. Oh, my 50 envelope challenge. Oh. I'm going to start a new one with you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to toss that. Alrighty, let's organize this here. So how's everybody's day going? Again, I talked about the weather earlier, and yes, it has been like super, super hot out here in California. And I know some places like Texas, Arizona, I know you guys are probably laughing at us because you're like, ha ha ha. Y'all don't know what weather is like, hot weather is like, but yeah, we don't envy you guys at all. We know temperatures can get really, really hot out there. So, okay. Let's see how much we got. So, 20, 40, 60, 81. 20, 40, 60, 82. 20, 40, 60, 70, 85, 95. 3. Ooh. Nice. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 41. Okay, so this dollar here is bothering me, so I'm actually just gonna put this aside, and I'm gonna put this somewhere else, like in gas or something. So we're just gonna put that over there to the side. How much do we have? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Okay, so we have about 340. If I didn't count that right, somebody correct me. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and divide this up. Can you see this? Let's see. Oh, you can. And put this right here. Yay. That right there, and then the 5s here. This little tray here, I I don't remember. Oh, I got this off Amazon. Yeah, envelope organizer. That's where you can get it from, Amazon. Okay. Alrighty, so now the fun part. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 categories. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll include gas. We'll just go ahead and put that there. Now, I am going to label these as a sticky because I'm going to do a very special video and show you how I make my labels. So we're just going to put little stickies on here just so I know what goes where. Okay, so I'm going to do park and fly. I had to change my setup because it was getting a little cramped up. Okay, so now back to what I was doing. Park and fly. So I'm gonna put the sticky there. Put that to the side. I'll say shuttle. That could be anything, like I stated. Okay. And food. Right there. I'll say fun stuff. Like we have listed. And then gas, but it's going to be a empty category. Okay, put that right there. All right. Okay, now that we have our categories on our envelopes, now it is time to actually stuff them. Okay, so I'm going to put it in this binder here that is completely empty that I have. And I'm going to go ahead and add them here. So let's go ahead and put them in here. Alrighty, now our park and fly. Okay, so now I gotta figure out how much I'm actually gonna put in these. Because we already said that we have a set amount that we're gonna stuff each envelope, but we're not actually gonna stuff that full set amount today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add the $80 for the park and fly right now. So 20, 40, 60, 80. And I'm going to put it here. Okay. The shuttle, we can actually just go ahead and put $50 in there. So we can fully stuff the shuttle today. Then that way that'll be done as well. Envelopes can be a little tricky. But we'll do that later. And then food is going to be 200. So we can do 100. So I'm going to do 20, 40, 60, 80, 590, 500 here. Okay. Oh, come on. There we go. And fun stuff we said is going to be 150. So we can actually use the rest of this for fun stuff. So let's do 20, 40, 60, 75. Oops, let's do that over. 20, 40, 60, 75, 85, 95, 100, 10. Okay, so we have $110. Okay. So I'm going to write that down. Okay, let me close my envelope here. Let's move this over here. So we'll put, okay, so now for park and fly. And I'm going to create a tracker for this. So next time I do the video and we stuff it, it's going to be much cleaner, okay? But I had to do this video so you guys see how I do the budgeting for my traveling, and also just to kind of share it with you. So if it seems like it's all over the place, yeah, it is. But the next time it will definitely be a little bit cleaner. Okay, so Park Fly, we actually just did the $80 for it. The shuttle, we put the 50 in there. Food. Oh, how much did we do for food? Fun, we did 110. Food, I'm gonna go back here. 60, 80, 5, 90, 500, 100 for food. Perfect. Awesome. So next time we stuff, we will only be stuffing for food and fun, and then we will have our funds for our Vegas trip. So I hope you really enjoy this. Like I stated, next video, I'm going to try and get out how I actually make the envelopes. So I'll probably do like a little bonus video for you guys to show you how I label the envelopes using my Cricut Joy. And yeah, and then the next week will be our regular low budget cash stuff and for our regular envelopes that we created on the last video. So I really hope you enjoy this. I know it's kind of a little bit all over the place, but nothing's perfect, and I kind of want to show you guys that. So when you continue on this journey, when you start this journey, just keep it simple, okay? And as time goes on and time progresses, you will get fancy pants, but just keep it simple. Get a little binder, get a little notepad, just handwrite them down, say what you need to do, and go ahead and stuff them. Put the date on there. Don't be like I did. Put the date on there, and then just flip over to the next page and continue on, okay? So I really hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and comment. And like I said earlier, if you're new, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks again. Bye.